Okay, let's look at how to make a seasons foldable. The finished product will look like this. We'll have the sun in the middle. We'll have 4 different earths around our sun. You'll see I shaded where day and night is. Each of these flaps come open, and inside it'll give more information about what the name of that season is, and then some facts about it. So that's what it'll look like when it's done, so that you can practice. You can look at something like this and you'd be able to first be able to label what season this is. So for example, this one looks like the northern hemisphere is pointing directly at the sun, more direct than any of the other seasons. And when I open it up, I would say it's summer, and here we have summer solstice. Good. Then we've got some facts about it. Most direct sunlight, hottest season, most minutes of daylight. Around June 20th is when we actually have the first day of summer, the summer solstice. And then of course all the other seasons are labeled as well. So how do we get this? Well, first we start with a square piece of paper. And you're going to take your square piece of paper, and I usually fold it in half this way first. And really I'm only doing this so that I can make a crease so that later I'll be able to find the middle. So once I fold it that way, I fold it this way, the opposite way. I make a crease so that when I open up there'll be a point that shows exactly where the middle is. Then I'm going to take each of my corners and I fold it to the middle. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. So I have 4 flaps for the 4 seasons. On the outside we go ahead and draw this diagram with the sun in the middle. We've got the 4 earths showing the 4 different positions. One with summer, one is winter. We have fall and spring. You notice I tried to make mine as 3D as I could, so these two are kind of like on the same plane, so they're the same size. This one would be kind of closer to you in a 3D sense, so I made it bigger. And this one over here is on the other side, way back there. So I made it a little bit smaller, trying to draw it in perspective. Okay? Now your teacher should provide you, either in your notes or on the smartboard, something like this so you have an idea of what things to put down on the inside flaps of your foldable. And they'll probably give you a diagram even that shows you more specifically what to put on the outside. You'll notice I also put arrows showing the pathway that the Earth takes when it revolves or orbits the sun. And that's our season foldable.